Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
The West Indies women lost their second match of the ICC World Cup qualifiers, going down by 65 runs to Pakistan women at the Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore today. Batting first, Pakistan women were bowled out for 195 with one ball left in the innings. Shidra Amin top scored for the Pakistanis with 53. She got support from Muniba Ali, who had 33. Captain Hayley Matthews, Afi Fletcher and Karishma Ramarak had 2 wickets each, while Ashmini Munisar and Alia Alain claimed a wicket apiece. Set 192 for victory, the Caribbean women were in trouble from the get-go, losing the captain Matthews for a first ball duck. Alia Alain provided the most resistance towards the end of the innings with 22, with Shakiba Ghaznavi supporting with 21. Pakistan's leader Fatima Sana had claimed a 3 for 16. 2 other bowlers had 2 wickets each. The Caribbean women will next play Bangladesh on Wednesday. Pakistan will battle Thailand on Thursday. The battle for safety continues in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League today with 2 matches on schedule. With being 1 point above the relegation zone, 9th place Chapelton Maroons will be seeking a crucial victory when they play league leaders Mount Pleasant. Chapelton Maroons have 33 points while Mount Pleasant have 78. That match is set for 5 p.m. In the 7:45 p.m. showdown, Racing United, eyeing the last playoff spot, will oppose second place Montego Bay United. Racing has 48 points. Both matches are set for the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. And finally, Manchester High will face Arden High in the All-Ireland Issa KFC National Schoolboys Basketball Under-16 Championship semi-final set for Tuesday. Manchester took down Camperdown High 51-28 in the quarter-final to book their spot against the urban area team. Christopher Henderson.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.